Yuka App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how food and cosmetic tracking apps have evolved in 2025. Yuka promises to analyze products for health, nutrition, and safety, but is it actually useful? The surprising truth is simplicity. Most people get this wrong by assuming health apps are complicated. Yuka allows you to scan barcodes on food or personal care items, instantly giving a score based on nutritional quality, additives, and overall safety. It's a straightforward way to make healthier choices without reading lengthy labels. One major advantage is transparency. You won't believe what happens next when you see detailed information on calories, sugar, allergens, and chemical ingredients. The app also suggests better alternatives, helping users improve diets and personal care routines gradually. Another perk is customization. You can set preferences for dietary restrictions, allergies, or lifestyle choices, allowing the app to highlight products suited for your personal needs. Yuka also tracks scanned items over time, providing insights into your consumption habits. However, there are cons. Some users may find the database limited for very local or niche products, and premium features require a subscription for advanced analysis. Scores are algorithm-based, which means personal judgment is still necessary when making choices. In conclusion, the Yuka app in 2025 is an effective tool for anyone looking to make smarter, healthier choices in food and personal care. While not perfect, its simplicity, transparency, and actionable suggestions make it a valuable companion for informed shopping and mindful living.